Hey guys, Lane here with DTO Customs. This is a really cool truck I have behind you. It's on our lot now. It's a 2019 Raptor, and this build on this truck is awesome. I'm gonna walk you through it. Raptors are already great trucks. This one is just that extra notch. It's improved, it's quicker, it's better looking, and it's stronger. Let's take a look. Up front, you got a carbon fiber decal package with the blue accent. I love this blue. It's a great selling color. It's worked well on a lot of our vehicles. It even has a carbon fiber sticker here. I like the fact that it makes the truck look a little bit more mean and wide up front. With the carbon fiber that's on the interior, it matches. It's a nice little flow. Down low, Diverti front tow hooks. The front tow hooks on these are kind of small and a little bit lame. Diverti makes an awesome product. It's nice that if you do get stuck or something else gets stuck, you've got a good latch point, and Diverti makes a strong product, so they're really nice. Coming back here, you're gonna have a 4-inch RC lift kit, still using the Fox Raptor shocks. 35-inch Nittos ridge grapplers. You guys know these tires. We love these tires. They're awesome. They ride quiet. And with the performance of this truck, it's a great tire to have on it too because the grip's really good. With a weld off-road wheel here, the black with the milled accent works really well with this blue colors. Coming back here, you've got the Ford factory step bars. They're nice because they're functional, but they also operate as a kind of like a rock slider. You got your Raptor decal. Down low, you've got RPG lower billet arms. These are a great kit to upgrade the Raptor. Billet aluminum, crazy durable, and cool enough, the blue pretty much matches exactly to this. So it's got the RPG with the cool American flag engraved in there. That's a nice upgrade. This generation truck is already the probably best generation Raptor that was made. The first generation, cool. It had a 6.2 liter Raptor V8 naturally aspirated motor. This one is the 3.5 liter twin turbo V6. It's lighter, it's got more horsepower, it actually gets better gas mileage than the V8 did, and they're quicker. These motors are awesome motors, let alone. They're in a lot of the F-150s. In the Raptor, they're already tuned up to be a little bit better. The nice thing about that is, it's not its tuning capability. There is a Cobb Stage 2 tuner on this truck. This one is, again, that extra echelon. It's quicker, it's faster, it's more responsive. This thing's bad to the bone. You know, to match it all, it's got an AWE exhaust in the rear. It gives it this really kind of beefy, hearty tone that a lot of times the V6 doesn't get, which is why some people have always liked the V8s. This is the best of both worlds. You get the performance of the light twin turbo motor and a lot of that sound of a V8. So it's an awesome all-around product. More of your carbon fiber decal packages back here. You've got a hard trifold tonneau cover in the rear, so you can actually use this truck for what it's meant to do as well and use it as a truck. I'll take you on the inside. I like the fact that this truck is interesting. A lot of the Raptors just have the black leather. Nothing wrong with it. It's a great looking kit, but this one has the blue suede Recaro seats. I just think these are so cool. By far one of the nicest Raptors I've ever driven. It is extremely quick and we like it a lot. So if you have any more questions about this truck, feel free to reach us at our email, call us, or come on in. If you have any more questions about our other inventory, make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram for updates of our inventory in your news feeds. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Absolute.